Susan, and today we're going to do a little bit of maintenance on this Bluebird house that we installed about a year ago. It has had a couple of bluebirds and they raised some young, and it's been a little beat up, so we're going to do some maintenance on it so that it'll be ready for them when they maybe come back in the spring. There are 2 screws, one in each side, that enables the door to come open so we can clean out the nest material that they've left behind. You can see the nest material. Take a dry brush and brush out this stuff inside. You don't need to get it wet, just a dry brush is fine. And this is how it looks now. And I'm going to take this opportunity also to clean up this paint, put a new coat of paint on, and maybe put a little coat of water seal on this birdhouse too, just so that it stands up to the elements a little bit better. It had a coat, but it looks like it's kind of worn off. Definitely could use some touch-ups. I'm gonna let this blue paint continue to dry, but we can still use this time to hit the birdhouse proper with some water seal. We have one more step to go. This is going to continue to dry, but you can line the bottom of the birdhouse inside with some dried grass. I happen to have dried pine needles, so I'm going to add some of those. Not a ton. And then we're going to put the screws back in so that this stays in place. And then this will be ready for next year. So you can see just a little bit. There we go. This can't easily be opened up by, predators. Now this is all just going to dry and it'll be ready for next spring.